Alright, I want to get a video of your reaction of the Galaxy starting up. 351 Windsor V8 with just cut off at the collector. Okay? That's going to be your reaction? Alright, let's see. Let's go start her up here. Let's get your reaction.
It's driving it?
No, I'm just going to start it. Oh, gotta prime that carburetor a bit.
Does it actually work?
It works, ready? You don't like it?
The engine's gonna break when you do that.
It's just running. It's just running. I'm not doing anything. Ready? Look, I'm gonna start it again. Cover your...
No, don't.
What the heck? Okay.